That's going to be the number one. It's going to be number one for sure.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool. I guess now I'm set
cool,
up.
But like,
Now I should be streaming.
no. An Australian finally caught your stream? Dude, there's so many Australians in this community you don't even know. I drink Milo as an American. I eat Vegemite as an American. I have Tiger Toast almost every day.
Okay, so what should I work on? What should
Yeah.
I work on?
I understand 65506 versus 6555.
What are all the...
1300.
Okay, let's just go with
I know that part of it.
Python
I know what
libraries
Wheel of Goon is,
list.
or Goon of Fortune, depending on where you're from. And that means something very different in the United
I know
States.
I've already got the calculus stuff open, but I'm just way more interested in the Python
I'm on to you.
stuff. Especially
I know what
since
fairy bread
all
is.
my
I do.
college classes have been teaching me
I
is
do.
C++.
Watching here in Scotland too. What up? Percentage.
Whoa, that's a lot of libraries. Okay.
Oh.
What are the top
Mods were
10
fed
Python
$5.
libraries?
We're compelling someone.
Matplotlib,
Thank you for giving the mods $5. You kick ass.
TensorFlow, PyTorch. Let's just take all this.
See you in the
35 that time,
Let's
dude.
create a text
We're getting
document.
so much psyche now. We're getting so much psyche now. It's really good.
Let's see here. Let's go to chat. Good.
That's a lot of dudes. Just gotta
Explain each of these Python libraries,
man. That's a lot of dudes.
please. Okay. Now I'm getting a list.
Jesus Christ.
Cool. I'm gonna just try to teach myself Python tonight, I guess.
And right into it.
And then maybe at some point check in on the Calculus 3 thing, because it's my summer break, and I would like to learn more about that at some point. Alright, so we got NumberPy, purpose, numerical computing. Provides support for arrays, matrices, and high-level mathematical functions. To operate on these arrays, it is fundamental for scientific computing in Python. Data manipulation and analysis.
+1 level.
Pandas.
We don't even need the health.
Offers data structures like data frames and series for handling and analyzing data in a flexible and efficient manner. It is widely used for data cleaning, transformation, and analysis.
We're gonna wait for Moist Jeff. The corpse explosion.
Matplotlib,
Breaking
versatility,
the boss's armor is relevant.
machine learning and deep learning. That sounds pretty fun.
Almost here.
Machine learning and deep learning.
This game's out now. I know.
What's the difference? TensorFlow is an open source library developed by Google for numerical computing and machine learning. PyTorch is an open source machine library developed for Facebook's AI research lab. It provides tools. Okay. Let's see here. Skitlearn. A library for machine learning in Python. It includes simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. What's going on there? Why is he? Oh, he's choosing. All right.
There it is.
For making HTTP requests in Python.
King of the goblins, wielder of the weenus, but my weenus is bigger. We shall have a weenus off a jewel if you will.
Neural network API written in Python.
Why are you like this?
Capable of running a top TensorFlow.
Time sheet with 500 bits said yard cheer 500 good morning. I've been planning the high magic steampunk city well, and even decided on forms and lore of the elementals, which I've got an amazing animal-like designs planned. That said, I would like to ask you how you design levels such as cities and environments. I've been learning about how roads affect how a city is built.
Yeah.
Also, are minecarts and chests, and the various minecart items banned? What's too much minecart, and when does it reach automation? The mods
If-
were fed $50.
$50 for the mods. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Also, I think 2 hours ago, $69.69 went through to the mods, and I somehow missed that. That is outrageously nice of you. Thank you. Holy
So I
shit.
just
Dude.
want to check
I don't know how I
if
missed that.
anybody needs
I
to
was
talk to
probably
me now
fighting
that I
something and
can
dying while
check
streaming.
on
So thank you.
the stream. I can make sure the stream didn't go down or
If you're wondering
something.
about how much minecarts equals automation? The number of minecarts is irrelevant. It's not automation. Just don't do stupid shit with the minecarts that could damage the server performance. I mean, it's not rocket science. I know Minecraft people don't
What is
understand
soup?
the idea of
Keep
server
seeing soup
performance,
come up.
but
Web
if you can no
scraping.
longer see the tracks,
Beautiful
you've
soup.
gone too far.
Beautiful
Just
soup.
use the
Okay, is a
double
library
line.
for
It's not
parsing
weird.
HTML and XML
Mirage
documents and
0L
extracting data
500
from
said
them.
hello, Thor.
It creates
Hope you're having
parse
an amazing day.
trees
As
that
of
help
recent, I have
in
been
navigating
really
the search
interested
for a
in
parse tree.
Twitch-integrated games
I
where a
did
chat
have a
effectively
project I
gave
was
us the
trying
pointer and
to
cult of the lamb, and I have wanted to take a stab at it
put
with some
together with the
similar
help
game
of
idea I have.
ChatGPT
But I have run into a
to
wall because I have no
learn
idea
how to do this
the
whole
Twitch
web scraping
integration
thing, because that is a
works.
huge reason why I
Is it
got into
possible for you to give
programming.
me
I
a
think
better
that sounds
understanding as to how
super
it
cool.
works?
Yeah, there's actually a
Thanks.
whole Twitch API that's available to you. Just look up Twitch API, and you can start from there. There's also a number of integrations for things like Unity, Unreal, and GameMaker Studio that will allow you to integrate directly with Twitch. I actually built a Twitch alerting system inside of GameMaker Studio using
Okay,
WebSocket.
what comes up if I do
WebSocket Secure
hashtag include?
and the
No,
pub
wait,
sub system.
they don't
So
do
it's not as
include.
hard as you would
It's
think.
just
It's actually quite easy.
include?
And Moist Jeff is gone, but yes, during ads, I pause.
No.
She missed nothing.
Thank you for your
Hands.
service.
Import.
Hands,
That's
hands,
what it
hands.
is.
I need to see him again.
Import random comes up. That's fun.
But don't touch, okay? In fact,
What else do I get?
a little farther back. And also tell me how come you keep showing up like this.
Classic.
To settle in the lower reaches of the underworld. Thought I'd take this rather scenic route to
Oh,
this chamber of yours.
OS. Nice.
Oh, it isn't my chamber. I just find the waters here particularly clean and reflective.
Tell me
Far fewer would be
for clearing the screen. Okay.
Take a gift before you go.
I like doing this since
Another
Replit
palm
kind of.
slice. Or 30 max mana, 20 psyche. Or 50 HP and 10
Sleep right.
ashes.
Okay.
I think it's about the palm slice, dude. I think it's palm slicing time.
Let me just see what other ones might come up
Gimme.
for existing.
Flutter Flourish. Alright.
Okay.
Not what I wanted. But I'll take it. Oh, Poseidon.
Let's see here, and I know that 4i is a way to start doing a loop, a for loop in range 1. Oh, do I need the? I'm still learning. I don't really know anything about Python. What was a game of blackjack? Time.sleep 1. You will be playing against the computer. Time.sleep 1. The goal of the game is
Why didn't that
okay.
work? Why
Not
didn't my
going
surf thing
over.
just work just now? I feel like that should have worked on that, right?
You'll dealt
You
2
didn't dash.
cards.
Oh,
You
it's only
choose
the
to
dash,
hit.
not the run. I understand.
Oh, it's me to implement the
It doesn't
end.
seem to have a very wide
brackets.
radius, does it?
Oh, I noticed that time up here.
You know?
Why is that? The error states that the import block is unsorted or unformatted. So it's telling me I need to move it down. Is that right?
Yeah, just burn to death. I'll just let you burn. It's cool. Oh, did he not? Did he burn finally? Are you dead?
Hideous thing.
Hideous thing.
Doesn't seem like it.
Yeah, let's see. What do you got?
Let's see here. System is fine. Random. Does OS need to be up above? Yeah, let me just copy all this.
You're Poseidon. Why are you such a weenie? Don't be such a weenie. Ooh, spirit bubble. I mean, flood control on this is kind of disgusting. Whenever you find or find or similar resource or a copy may appear. No.
So it seems to be working. Maybe I'm misunderstanding something there. The fact that it's just a different color, I guess, maybe doesn't mean anything.
This is early double? Dude, I've never beaten this boss before.
Just like that it wants me to keep doing 10 death sleep.
We're really close
I just
to
want to
the
kind of
same
see
boss.
where this is going with this. Or stand, if you hit, he will be dealt
I think
another
this
card.
is
Like, I didn't
at most
prompt
the
it to start making this game. I just literally was like, oh, I know that import is the way to start getting the libraries. If you stand, your turn will end. Okay.
The Gamba. How could I not Gamba?
Dealt another card. If you go over
I feel like
21, you
Gamba.
lose the game. Oh,
don't
and
care,
again,
25%
now
scam
it's
time.
asking me to recognize
I
the
have to
error.
Oh,
Time to sleep.
I knew it. I knew it.
Kronos, I'll carve you limb from limb for this. For everything.
How frightening. Unfortunately, we shall never know if yours was a mere empty threat, for you are going on a little time out, at least until some other matters are resolved.
What are you doing? Wait.
You wish to traipse through this realm, then here, bask in it.
That old man. It was him. Where am I? Or when?
Okay.
Okay. This is like a very detailed.
$50.
Odin's Rift.
What
Oops.
witchery is
I have
this?
to stay inside of it.
No,
Okay,
print.
cool terrain there, bud.
It's gonna sleep. And then it wants me to print out. Let's begin. Is it just gonna start?
This terrain sucks.
OS.system clear. That's different.
Shit.
Interesting. Okay, let's see what this does now. Hold the game blackjack. You will be playing against a computer. And it starts explaining the rules. Turn over 21 will burst and lose the game. Lose the bet. Let's begin. And it clears it. Oh, that's sick.
Those enemies
Nice.
were
I haven't had that happen before. Okay, and so now that after that clears, now we can start getting into,
Are they stumbling?
Olympus, I accept this message.
yeah, sure, deck of cards.
Gain life and mana, but give up one boon selected by Hestia. Smoldering Ring. Max life and magic. Fire extinguisher. Foes with at least 300 scourge take a burst of damage that consumes the effect.
Interesting. How do I do? I mean,
I don't have enough gold for the rest, but that's fine. What you doing there? All right.
can I?
I don't know if we can do this, but we're gonna find out if we can do this.
On with the show.
On with the show.
Do that
I don't
4
care.
times
I'm
there.
killing you. I'm skipping all your bullshit.
Oh, there we go. Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Jack, Queen, King, Ace.
Oh, that's really rude, actually.
And let's just do
I gotta
that
drag her
all
away.
a second time. And then let's put a cap on it. Obviously, the suits would
This is not
matter
looking
too,
good.
though,
I thought
right?
This is gonna do a lot more damage, and it really does not.
Yeah, let's start with this though.
Good.
Dealing with cards. This is so cool that, I mean, 'cause I really don't know anything about the syntax or anything for Python.
Oh, Jesus, dude.
But But I mean, I definitely feel myself learning some stuff here.
These bosses are really nasty when you're in close, and I don't know their combos very well yet. Because I didn't get enough time with them last time.
Dot pop.
And I've never fought them with this weapon before.
Let's try looking down. Dot append. Yes.
I wonder if that'll eat that.
Dot pop.
Nope,
So
doesn't eat
make
those.
a function. Okay, so now we have a random shuffle deck. The players are getting a hand, and the computer's getting a hand. I feel like the...
What the shit? The suitability works really well. It doesn't seem to against this because it doesn't eat any of these abilities.
Do I need to specify that it's like 2 from the deck?
Nope. Yet defined. I know it's the sprint, not the dash, but like, none of it seems good. Like, it's not eating those. It doesn't eat any of those. So like, I'm aware it's sprint, not dash. I know you guys keep saying that, but it doesn't do well. The range is not very good, and it doesn't eat any
Let's
of
see,
these
let me
abilities.
ask a question.
Like, it's like really, really close, which is not good. Like,
Code snippet player hand, computer hand. Initialize 2 empty lists in Python. In the context of blackjack game, player hand
also
to
that
represent
means,
the cards held by
a
the player.
bandit.
Computer hand would represent the cards held by the computer, the dealer in this case. By initializing these lists as empty, the game sets up the structure to keep track of the cards dealt to the player, the computer, during the game. As the game progresses, cards will be added to these lists to reflect the hands of the player and the computer. When do we add the hands to the